Welcome back, and today I'll be showing you guys how you're going to download and play Apex Legends Mobile on your Android and or iOS device. So let's get straight into it. The first one I'll be doing is for the Android users. So everyone listen up right now. You're going to want to go ahead on your search engine, either Google or Chrome or whatever you use on your Android device, and type in Happy Mod. So I have it right here. Happy Mod is where you're going to get your VPN, because you're going to need a VPN to go ahead and play Apex Legends Mobile if it's not in your country. And I'll get into the countries in a little bit. But Happy Mod is way better than going on your regular Google Play Store and just typing in a VPN, because then you're going to have to do a free trial thing and or buy a VPN, which you're not going to want to do. This right here gives modded apps. So you type in a VPN and a VPN pops up modded, which means it's totally free. And why not do this? It's the best way. So click Happy Mod, then download it. Tap the blue download thing. It's only 7.6 megabytes, which is nothing. And then it will appear on your main home screen. Then what we're going to do from there is open it. It should take a little bit. It shouldn't take too long. If it does, restart the app or something, or re-download it. And then from here, you're going to type in VPN, click search, and the VPN I use, which is the best VPN. Now, it did take me a while because I had to look through the top and go down, but I'll help you guys out. Scroll down, click VPN Super Unlimited. It's the 2022 one, so it's like a blue key. It says 2022 on the top. This is the one. Premium unlocked, ads free. You're going to want to download this one. It's the best one that I have been using for the countries. Now the countries are popped up on the screen right there. If you're not in these countries, you can't play the game, so that's why you need a VPN. So if you're in like the US or not in these countries, you're gonna need a VPN. So for this, I downloaded the VPN. You guys can see it says install. You'll just install it when you're on that app. Click fastest location. Obviously the US will be your fastest location, or whatever country you're in. So what you will do is scroll down and find Mexico. Mexico is the best one that I've been using. I know there is Singapore and it has less MS, but it doesn't work for some reason, even though it is on the list. Don't know why. Maybe it's just the signal that I have when I load on, but Mexico has been working for me, so that's what I use. I also have it in my history, so when you guys do use a lot, it goes into your history. Is it there? Oh yeah, I refreshed the whole entire app because it was working a little slow in the morning. It usually works better around the afternoon time, so make sure you guys are trying around the afternoon. MS is actually really high during the morning for some reason, like for multiple countries. It's very weird, but right here, 77 MS, which means ping, if you guys don't know that. But yeah, it went down a little bit. It was around like 80 something when I clicked on the app. Now it's 77. It will bounce up and down, but hopefully it doesn't go higher than 100. So yeah, all you gotta do is click on Mexico and then it connects. That easy. So then once this connects that fast, it also tells you how long you have been on it and stuff. If it kind of starts getting weird, the VPN, disconnect from it and reconnect from it, and then it should work again. One of those countries that you selected on the VPN, which I put Mexico, you go ahead to your app store, click on the search bar, type in Apex Legends Mobile, and then you will go ahead and download the game. And what I suggest is you guys going ahead, clicking install, and once it installs, make sure you go ahead and actually go back to the VPN and shut off whatever one you put on. Because then you guys can go ahead and download it a lot faster. It will still be on your app store, just so you guys know. But once it's officially downloaded, go back to the VPN and put it on that country that you already had. So then when you click play, it will go ahead and open Apex Legends Mobile. You should be able to go ahead and play. Now I'm not going to cut any of this out because I want to show you guys how it loads in. It's not that bad of a load in, but yeah, it is the little screen login, and then it does a little bit of the loading bar, and then right here, announcement, you click OK. I'm already logged in, so it will just load for less than a minute, put me in the game, and you guys can see how it looks from here on out. Which honestly, Apex Legends Mobile looks really cool, and I suggest you guys do use the Mexico VPN for your Wi-Fi connection. It is the best one that I've been using, and it's the best one on the VPN that I recommend you use. So yeah, I can click play and go into a game and stuff. I can move around to my legends and all that. I can go to my settings if I wanted to. But yeah, let's go ahead over to iOS. Okay, now for iOS users, listen up. Now this is a less of an explanation than the Android. So yeah, it's kind of straightforward. All you're gonna have to do is go to your settings, go to your account, near your Apple ID. Underneath payments is country/region. You're gonna want to click that and change it to one of the countries that are on the list. Now this is only for the App Store, where you're going to go ahead to the App Store and download Apex Legends Mobile. So you're going to need to do this to even see it on the Apple Store. So this is a really kind of big factor. So make sure you guys are looking at that list, select the country you want to go ahead and, play on. And then you go to your Apple Store, you type in Apex Legends Mobile, search for it, and then download it. But then you're going to go ahead and have to download a VPN from the Apple Store, which is kind of harder than the Android one, because you're gonna have to search for a VPN, then actually set a free trial, or try to find one completely free that has one of the countries on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the iOS explanation. It's pretty much straightforward. If your guys' country is on the list, you guys do not need to do any of this. Just go to Android and or your iOS store and just download Apex Legends Mobile. But if you're not in any of the 10 countries that were on the list, go ahead and do either the Android and or iOS way to go ahead and download Apex Legends Mobile, so you guys can get a head start and play. So I hope you guys did enjoy this one, and that's it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.